What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be swapping out some headlights on my 4x4. This doesn't get seen much on the channel, but I drive this stuff a lot, or this truck a lot. It is a 14 Silverado crew cab, LTZ 71. It's got a 6-inch lift on it with some 22s, 35 1250s. It's a nice truck, but these these are bone stock lights. I've had them on here for years. I mean, like, the camera don't do it justice, but they're bad. There you go, now you can see it. We're gonna swap these guys out. I'm a huge fan of the LEDs, so I mean, like, I already got some installed, new ones, but we're gonna be changing them over to the clear setup. It's gonna look much better. Tools I'm gonna be using: 7mm, 10mm, flathead screwdriver or a small pry bar, and these guys right here. Now that we got the valance bolts off on the side, I'm gonna be taking a 10mm and getting this grill out real quick. These bad boys out of here. The beloved 10mm, which I'm pretty sure the headlights are the same, 10mm. Once we pull this grill off, you'll see where everything gets exposed. But you got to take that valance off because there's one bolt behind it. Pain in the butt. Any more bolts? Clipped in there. There is clips. There's a couple of clips down below. And those clips are tight. There we go. I don't want to break it. A little more clips that I'm not seeing. Actually, might be some bolts underneath. I'm gonna look real quick. That was a pain in the ass. There were 2 bolts, one way behind the body mount here and one way over there. Definitely ratchet wrench right there. The ratchet was super hard to get in there. Now it should just come right out. Should. Still hung up on this over here. Upper little thing. Open little thing. You don't want to play. I think we got to get this balance off first. Let's get that out of the way real quick. Pop the end loose real quick. There we go. Way easier. Okay, now that we're done with that part, shit was a pain in my butt. Already got battle wounds from it, so you know you're doing it right when you get plastic cuts. All right, let's get these lights out real quick. Gonna give it a way better look, in my opinion. I love the clears on anything. I think they look good on anything. These lights I did get off Amazon. I think they were like 169 bucks for both of them. They did come with the side marker lights amber already. And yes, we do have a bolt right here on the side. I think I'm going to need a wrench for that one. So nice out today. It's a little warm, but we live in Northern California and it's gonna get hot as hell here soon, so I'll take this warm right now. Yep, we're gonna need a wrench. I gotta go grab a 10 millimeter wrench. Never fails, guys. You know how it is. Finding one of these things is a pain in the butt. I was gonna do that as a joke, but it literally took me about 10 minutes to find this wrench. So, y'all know how that goes. I know I should have just grabbed it out before. After this bolt, it should just pop right back out, or pop out, I should say. There are tabs in the top that hold it on. So we're just gonna take these off real quick. I don't know how long this light's been in here, but I got new ones for it. We'll get these all installed real quick and we will be right back. Just like that. New lights are in and plugged in. Before I put all this back together, I'm going to make sure that they all work. So let's find out together. Hazard lights, low beams are on. I see that that's blinking. High beams work. High beams work. I think we're good to go. With that being said, I'm gonna get this stuff all snugged up and put back together, and then I'll show you at the end, the end result. All right guys, here she is. Lights all changed over, looking good. Gives the truck a nice clean look. The lights are super bright too. And that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. Also, if you want to drop a comment, I reply to all of them. Just remember, guys, dreams are only fantasy if you're not willing to put in the work. And we'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.